Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Bank of India online banking account. But before that, don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy the content. So without further ado, let's get the video started. First thing you need to do is open browser on your phone or on your desktop. Then enter the URL bankofindia.com. Once you get into the website, click on personal or corporate underneath the internet banking. I'm going to choose personal here. Then click on OK. So then you'll be headed to this login page and you'll have to enter your informations in order to log into your Bank of India account. So enter the informations that you use to log into your Bank of India account. So start by entering your username. Once you do that, you'll then have to enter your password. After you enter your password, you'll then have to enter the captcha displayed in the screen. So enter that. Once you enter your information, click on submit and you'll be logged into your Bank of India account. So there you have it. That's how you log into your Bank of India online banking account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on post notifications. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.